So South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster signed a comprehensive energy bill into law today. The governor was joined by utility representatives as well as state lawmakers for a ceremonial bill signing at the governor's mansion. Let's take a listen in case you missed it. This is that press conference.
Be very quick. We have just a few speakers. I want to thank everybody for being here. This, of course, is to celebrate a great step forward, the South Carolina Energy Security Act. And we need to be secure, and it needs to be with energy, and that certainly includes nuclear power. And our plan is to start a national renaissance for nuclear power in this country, and it's starting here. I'll just give you a picture. If you've been to the Great Darlington Raceway, and you've seen the cars going round and round and round the track, too tough to tame, and you hear those engines just bubbling, just getting ready to explode. And when that green flag goes down, bam, more noise than you ever heard in your life, and they start racing around that track. And that symbolizes what we're doing here today. In South Carolina, this is the green flag going down, the motor's going way up, and ladies and gentlemen, South Carolina is in the lead in the country for a renaissance of nuclear power. And there's been many steps taken to get here. But in 2023, we created the Power SC Working Group. That led to the SC Nexus for Advanced Resilient Energy. That then led to, we were one of 30 recognized in the country by the federal government. Then in July 24, we were one of 12 regional technology innovation hubs. We chose power. Many of the other states, the other 11 chose other things, but ours was power. So we've been on this path for some time. And on May the 5th, 2025, your legislature produced, and I signed the South Carolina Energy Security Act, and we're in full motion now. I want to thank a lot of people for getting us here. Dominion Energy is here. Kelly Kassam is here. Duke is here with President Tim Pearson. South Carolina Electric Co-ops are represented by John Frick. Mike Cowick could not be with us today, and I know a lot of the members are here. We want to thank you for that. Jimmy Staten, Santee Cooper. We are on a roll. This is a great day for South Carolina. It's getting better and better. This nuclear renaissance, the power renaissance, we're preserving, protecting our property, we're educating our children, we're bringing good jobs to South Carolina for the great people of South Carolina. So with that, we'll begin talking.
Thank you, Governor. Guys, it is an honor to be here. This is a lot of hard work that was finally come to the finish line. Even predating me, we've been working on this for 2 years or more. This was a team effort. So many of you guys are behind me here. None of this would have been possible without both the Senate and the House. Speaker Smith, Chairman Herb Kurzman wasn't able to be here today. But this is a wonderful example of how teamwork can really make something amazing happen for the citizens of South Carolina. So I'm honored to be a part of it, and I'm excited to see, echoing the words of the governor, what is next for the state of South Carolina. Thank you.
Thank you. Senator?
Thank you, Governor. Thank you, Gil. And ladies and gentlemen, we can't be gathered at a more appropriate place with the bright sun shining on this little state of South Carolina. I have to tack to the Christian and to the biblical and to the legacy that the governor is so devoutly holding on to, our natural resources, our economy, our people, our safety, our laws to protect people, but also this legacy and generational change that this bill makes for South Carolina, building on the work of a lot of people over the years, over the decades, over this state's history, to put us on a different path to secure our future, to have the ability to partner with a great partnership between Santee Cooper and Dominion, an ability to grow ourselves, take care of ourselves, and provide for those who are here now, both people living and businesses coming here now or coming, to provide a stable energy future for them. I can't help but thank my partner in PERC, that's the President Thomas Alexander. We have labored and put, as one said of us, a lifetime into this topic of energy. And so, little old Luke Rankin, little old South Carolina, this little light of mine, we're going to let it shine. God bless.
You're watching Live Impact News on WCNC Plus. I'm Nick Sturdivant. Right there is a press conference from earlier. We wanted to play this. This is South Carolina officials and also South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster. And he signed a comprehensive energy bill this morning outside of the governor's mansion there in South Carolina, in Columbia, South Carolina. He held a ceremonial bill signing there, so you're hearing from other state lawmakers, utility representatives before the governor speaks. So that happened earlier today.